सब्सक्राइब करो ये चैनल को नोटिफिकेशन को मंचो नाक दे बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो Exercise 4 a quadratic equations. Question number 5, sub number 2. X minus 1 by x is equal to 13 by 6, where x is not equal to 0, x is equal to 4 by 3 and 5 by 6. Ino de makana skang bao ya equation ko onso mun equation ko quadratic equation ni form na rang singnan again. Uni zamano de agania x not equal to 0 ni agania x minus alba equal to 0 umjawa. Devne x ni value rangko gigini kon so ha 4 by 3 or 5 by 6 ya rangko ye equation o substitute kayamna check kanan again left hand side equal to right hand side om joko check kanan again devna left hand side equal to right hand side om ode ya onso guman x ni value rangara ya onso guman equation ni solution onga deba left hand side equal to right hand side satisfy omja ode onso guman x ni value rangara ya onso guman equation ni solution omja ngibako answer kanan again skang y ko solve again x minus 1 by x is equal to 13 by 6 and this implies in LCM there x x into x there x square minus here x to x to the 1 times 1 into 1 to 1, so this is equal to 13 by 6 and this implies that the cross multiply how there 6 into x square there 6 x square sign the minus 6 into 1 6, so the cross multiply how there x into 13 there 13x and this implies 6x square 13x ko shift about there minus 13x is the minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore sign equation 1 doing it. Then equation 1 x is equal to 4 by 3 ko substitute kai substitute kaching x is equal to 4 by 3 ko equation 1 no left hand side one putting x is equal to 4 by 3 in 1, we get left hand side, left hand side 6x square minus 13x minus 6, that is 6x square ni 4 by 3 whole square minus 13 into x ni 4 by 3 minus 6, so this is equal to 6 into 4 square there beta 16 3 square there 9 then equal 3 chi cancel count there 3 are 6 there 2 times 9 there 3 times inagre cancel kana man go there dungja so then minus there cancel kana man go dungja 1 multiply kana again 4 3s are 12 carry over 1 4 plus 1 is 5 52 by 3 minus 6, so this is equal to that equal LCM bo kamo de 3 3 aro ini kamo de dungja mane de 1 ini LCM de 3 ungkel again imna 3 de 1 times 1 into 2 de 1 2 imna 2 into 16 de betong guno 32 imna minus 3 de 3 1 times 1 into 52 de 52 minus inu de kamo 1 1 de 3 times 3 into 6 de 18 ini betong guno this is equal to cha kuisa bode betong again minus 52 minus 18 ode 2 plus 8 de 10 carry over 1 5 plus 1 is 6 6 plus 1 7 minus 70 32 dunga dalbat ka number minus ode answer ba minus 10 only 2 yang ode 8 de 6 dunga 6 minus 3 de 3 minus 38 minus 38 by 3 so minus 38 by 3 ikoni bo equation 1 ode right hand side ode 0 diba ode betamania minus 38 by 3 ye de 0 umjenga ini gun makana ye 0 ko ino manjenga ni man ikorianga this is not equal to RHS ni second, this is not equal to right hand side ini mga ichibak shades again. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 3 is not the solution of the given equation. Now then, x is equal to 5 by 6. You can say, you can substitute again equation 1 in left hand side to putting x is equal to 5 by 6 in equation 1. We get left hand side is equal to 6 x square ni biya 5 by 6 whole square minus 13x 13 into x ni biya 5 by 6 digimna sign de minus 6. So this is equal to 6 into 5 square de 25, 6 square de 36 minus, you know, they cancel kind of 5 3s are 15, carry over 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, divided by 6, minus 6, you know there, yes, 6 there, 6 and 1 times, they 36 there, 6 times, you know there, they cancel kind of now the Jojo, LCM my buzok, solve kind process ko kanti karna kita, we 6 are each there, 1, LCM there, 6 until again, 66 and 1 times 1 into 25 there, 25, then sign the minus 66 and 1 times 1 into 65 to 65, then minus 1 to 6 to the 6 times 6 into 6, 36. So this is equal to minus 65 minus 36 more there, minus 5 plus 6, 11, carry over 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 there, 10. Then now you 25 ko subtract again. Kalbat ko minus, answer ko minus 11 minus 5 there, 6, you know there, 9 number kaya 9 minus 2 there, 7. Then minus 76 by 6. Then I could there, my chi cancel again. 2 chi cancel count there. 2 better times 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 ko round there. 6 ko round there. 16. 2 is 16. Even 2, 3 is 6. Even this is equal to sign the minus 38 by 3. So you know equal to 0 manjanga. Equal to 0 manjanga. Ini makana once again this is not equal to right hand side. Not equal to right hand side. Once again, therefore, x is equal to 5 by 6 is not the solution of the given equation. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 6 is not the solution of the given equation.